Why do you lose friends when you have children? Hi, and welcome to my channel where I discuss tips to help you improve the relationships around you and the people you love. I know this is a very sensitive topic, and that's why I was asked this question. Let me mention this real quick, that your friends may evolve over time because of the new responsibilities they have as new parents. And the fact that you don't see them as often does not necessarily mean they do not want to see you or do life with you. As a matter of fact, it's usually the opposite. The truth is that it takes a lot of focus and concentration to raise children. The needs of the child usually takes priority over anything else. Let's take nap time for the child as an example. You are practically grounded if you have a party and your 1 or 2-year-old is taking a nap. You definitely don't want to disturb their sleep because they need it and you also need it too. We all know that a child that doesn't take a nap ends up being very cranky. You therefore have to cancel at the very last minute. If your friends don't have children yet, they most likely won't understand why you can't just wake the child up. Your friends who have children, on the other hand, most likely will understand because they most likely do it all the time. However, in this scenario, there are two groups of friends who react differently than the other. There are a group of friends who would enjoy being a part of your family now that you have kids and have your kids call them auntie or uncle, while the other group would not accept that you no longer have as much flexibility in your life and can no longer do life with them as you did before your kids were born. When this happens, you discover that your interests no longer align, and then you begin to drift apart till you no longer see them around. Eventually, this makes friends align themselves with those with whom they share same interests, and the new parents find themselves with other people with whom they share the same season in life. Regardless of whatever happens, your true friends will understand you're trying to navigate a new territory as a new parent and stick around. Let me know if you have any questions and let me know your thoughts on this sensitive topic. Thank you for watching this video, and don't forget to share, like, and subscribe for more tips. See you in my next one.